doubles facts. Ooh, times 4. Okay, when we have a factor of 4, what is gonna happen? Let's see. To multiply any number by 4, double the number and then double that product. Oh, there's lots of doubles in there. Okay, let's try one out and see what happens. Okay, let's go ahead and try 4 times 7. Let's see what happens there. Let's see what that product is. Well, right away, I see I have a factor of 4. So now I know that to get my product, I need to double the number. Okay, so I double the number, this number right here, the other factor. I need to take 7 and double it. Okay, if I take 7 and double it, that would be the same thing as going 7 times 2. Okay, so instead of taking the 4 factor right now, I'm just going to take 7 and double it. And then what do I do after that? Well, I double the number and then double that product. Oh, so whatever I get here, I'm going to take this product and I'm going to double that, and I should get my final product. Okay, let's see what it looks like in picture form. Okay, so I have 4 groups of 7. 4 groups of 7. Or 4 rows by 7 columns. So let's see. 4 rows by 7 columns. Okay, or I look at it and I do my group of 7. 1 row of 7. 2 rows of 7. 3 rows of 7. 4 rows of 7. Okay, so I know here's my outline of my array. So I just did a really light shade there of what it looks like. Now I'm going to kind of show what this means by using the doubles. So I need to double the number. So I'm going to take that other factor 7, and where do I see it in my picture? I'm going to shade that in darker. I see I have 7 right here. And what do I need to do with that 7? I need to double it. So now I'm taking that 7 and I'm taking another 7 because I'm doubling it. So there it is. I have my first double, and that is 7 times 2. So what is this going to equal right here? Do it however you can. Count it up however you can. And you should get 14. Okay, but now I need to then double again, double that product. So I take this product that I got, which was 7 doubled, or 7 times 2, and I need to double this now. So now I take that, that was 2 by 7, so I need to go up 2 by 7. Oh my gosh, so this is the double. I'm just outlining it so I can see it better. I'm not going to shade it in because then it'll look like the other one. Look exactly the same. I want to be able to see it. So I have now, this is the exact same product as this one. We took this product and we doubled it up here. So now, if I take this and I double it here, and now I count the entire thing, how many is that going to be? So now I have 14 and another 14 up here. So now I know that I'm taking the 14, I'm doubling it, and I'm at 28. So that means 4 rows, 7 columns, or 4 groups of 7, is going to give me 28. Cha-ching! Let's try one more. This time it's going to be a little quicker. Let's do 9 times 4. Trying to figure out that product. Right away, I see I have my factor of 4. Oh, yes, this is a double fact. I have to double and double. So I look at that other factor and say, okay, I'm going to double W, number 9. So to the 9, I'm going to take the 9 and I'm going to double it. I'm going to get something. And then what am I going to do with that something or that product? I'm going to double that because this is called a double-double. And if I double-double, that'll give me the 4. So I will get my final product right here. So let's see what it looks like in a picture. So here I have 9 groups of 4. Or I have 9 rows. So I'm going to go 9 rows. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it goes up to here. So I'm going to outline it, you guys. Instead of shading in anything yet, I'm just going to outline. So I have 9 rows by 4 columns. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm outlining what the 9 times 4 looks like, what that array looks like, and then I'll start shading. So I have 9 groups of 4. You see them? 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. I wonder how many groups of 4 I have. 9! Not 10, I only have 9. Okay, so now what am I going to do? I'm going to double this factor of 9. So I have to find a 9. Okay, do you see where a group of 9 is? I see one, so I'm going to shade it in now. So I'm shading in not just 5, but 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's a 9. And what do we need to do with that factor? Remember, this is called the double-double. So I'm going to take that 9 and I'm going to double it. Ooh, so I get to shade in another group of 9. And as I do that, I'm trying to figure out what 9 doubled would be. 9 doubled. Well, I love this because I see a 10. And then how many more up here? 8. So 10 and 8 gives me 18. That's what's so nice about that line right there. Okay, so we doubled the 9. We doubled that factor. But this isn't just called the doubles fact. It's called the double-double. So now we have to take that 18 and double that. So I take this 18, and do you see it's double already in the picture? Oh my gosh, it's looking at you. It's right here. So I'm just outlining it so it doesn't look exactly the same and we can see the difference. So I have the 18 doubled right here. So I have 18 and 18. So all together, it's gonna be what? Do you have it yet? You've counted it up, and you're at 36. So 9 times 4 is the same thing as 9 times 2 times another 2, the double-double. And we end up with 36.